name is Yuki. I'm a regional HR lead in a UK company. I work as part of leadership team to look after people function for Hong Kong and Asia market. I was a part-time student for 2 years and I graduated in 2020. I was looking for something new and something that can challenge myself. I did some research and found the MBA program from Hong Kong U. I really like the flexible design that can fit my very busy work schedule. And I like the Hong Kong U MBA values. They encourage students to actively collaborate and do projects together. In the past few years, the market is very challenging. The program helped me to gain a lot of very useful knowledge. For example, accounting, data analytics, and microeconomics. And I can understand the business better from different points of view. It's also helped me provide better advice to leaders as well, and helped me formulate people's strategy that best fit for my company. I used to be very shy, but after the program, I get used to networking and I actually really enjoy meeting new people and gain different insight from them. I meet a lot of good friends in the MBA. We regularly catch up and we share what's happening in different industries. The program really broadened my horizon and changed my personal skills, social skills, and helped me build a very strong network. I strongly recommend any HR professional to study MBA program. It's a very unique journey and it was the best choice that I made in my life.